He walked by, and I was like, I know that's already an injury. I just knew from their outline. Because Murray has pants, and Avery's like Avery.
Wait, I'm gonna prop it up. How can I prop it up so that it films?
Nope.
If I move the grass.
John.
Where are they?
Zoom out.
I'm trying to. Where's the zoom out? Where's the zoom button? I found it.
You failed. You are fat.
That's it.
Holy shit, it looks like a supernova.
Want to film, Cameron?
It looks like a supernova.
Cameron, want to film?
Sure.
Just try to get the explosion.
The explosion part.
Boom!
There's like 10 minutes of them.
Kabooms! I was launching fireworks in the Navy field, Cameron. Yeah, I was doing that too. Blasting off fireworks. Well, I didn't do it today, I did it yesterday. Jahan, I shot down a plane doing that. But actually shoot down planes? They're AA shells. Brandon, so Navy field, yeah, my camera.
John, I don't play Navy field. I know how many times have we been...
When you like, you ever see the fireworks shows?
Yeah.
A fire was like, happy 4th of July, just blasting fireworks. I'm gonna shooting battleships they would buy me, firing them off again. John is taking pictures.
I like those.
Don't take the pic. Don't press the picture button, Cameron. I'm not taking pictures. There's
No, it's recording.
no, but it comes up with the screen thing.
Wait, can it take pictures and record at the same time?
Yeah, it can.
That's crazy.
Kaboom! Ah.
Ooh, nice.
Oh, there go the trees. I like the blue ones are the ones that make noise after they explode.
Oh, that was a spiral. It was a spiral. Jahan, did you see that? It was a spiral, Jahan. It was a spiral.
I missed
Weeping Willow Tree.
Boom!
That was crazy.
That was the whip out.
I can see them.
Are you getting ball? Yeah.
I like that one. I like that.
When you're tired of it, have somebody else. Don't really make you guys.
I see.
Ooh, that was cool. That is cool.
That's cool. Greatest job ever, a firework technician. Yeah. You get to build rockets.
Except that they blow up in the factory sometimes.
Yeah, but still.
But you gotta work a lot with chemicals. Wow.
AKA some testicles.
Yay! The ones that are lit when they go up are the weird ones.
Yay!
Kaboom!
I love seeing this smoke. Whoa! Be careful, go. Whoa! Look, more illegal things over there. There's two. Lower.
Kaboom!
They provide good backdrop.
Hey Jahan, when you're watching this, can you take pictures? You can. No, but like while you're reviewing it? While you're... oh no, you can't, sorry. I don't think you can. Because it would be cool to have these nice like backdrops. Yeah, that would be cool, wouldn't it? You can take pictures whenever you want, just by pressing that button right there. Boom. See the little camera button? It goes red and then... I don't know if that actually works or not.
Ah, there was a bug on my neck.
Hey Brendan, you can film now.
My turn to film?
Yeah, it's your turn to film.
Okay. Blue is the coolest. Oh, and yellow is the
Jahan, your head's in the way of the filming. Ow. Jahan, your head's too fat.
Ooh, nice. Ooh, very nice.
They're good. I haven't seen fireworks for years.
Wait, you haven't seen what? I haven't seen fireworks for years.
Oh, really?
Oh, like, they always like exploded. These are fireworks that are really easy.
They had a faulty one a couple years ago that exploded in the thing.
I was in West
It
Virginia
did?
on fireworks then, and they were
It was,
like
it was like the last one that went off.
These ones are amazing. And then the grand finale, that's
Whoa, whoa, look at that thing.
I saw them like a few years ago.
Look at that
It's
thing.
like a flare.
That's so cool.
It's a flare.
It's a floater.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a flare with parachutes.
Yeah, I know.
It is.
They can't see the
That's what
parachutes.
flares are.
Yeah.
Feel free to zoom in.
You can't really... I don't know how to zoom in,
It's a
Jahan.
little slider bar.
I don't feel any slider bar.
Look right here.
Zoom in on the flare real quick.
Is that the flare?
Yeah. That's the flare. So whoever wants to see this can see our flare with
It fell
a...
off.
Okay, zoom back out.
Okay.
Hey, let's go find the parachutes after.
That's all Cameron's thinking right now. Let's go find the parachutes after.
Night tomorrow, find out fireworks.
In the clouds.
Oh, they separated.
Oh, that was cool.
5 colors.
Jahan, it's finding a face on that last one.
No,
Your camera found a face on the last one.
I'll take pictures of like ships, like sandwiches I painted, and finally faces. I'm like, wait.
I love it when that happens. It's like, I'm pretty sure that's not a
Sophie's camera.
face. Oh, there's another face.
Sophie's camera automatically take.
There's another one. Oh,
Into the trees with you. Holy shit.
Sophie's camera. Photo record automatically take a picture.
Wow, you didn't finish what you're saying. Can automatically take a picture?
When it sets the smile.
Really?
Yeah.
Jahan, how do I scroll or how do I zoom in?
In the between the two buttons is a little.
Okay, I
slide
found
bar.
it.
Yeah.
I feel it. Okay, we got that down.
Whoa.
Brendan's like, wait, where was it again?
Yeah, where is that again?
Hey, look, the stars there.
2, 3.
Oh
We want another flare.
Jahan, we found a big face that
I
time.
really want to take a plane into Vermont on the night of the 4th.
Jahan, I
The
think
plane
you
flies
might.
over my house.
Yeah, they fly over my house too.
Because, Brendan.
But I think you might get shot down, Jahan.
No, Lynn and Al were coming back from their trip. No, Chris was coming back from their trip last night, and they flew over fireworks. They saw fireworks everywhere last night.
They did what?
They flew back home last night, and they saw fireworks everywhere. And they were on the U.S.-Canada border, so they could see fireworks on one side of the plane and men on the other side.
Poor Canada.
No,
They
you
don't
need-
celebrate their 4th
no, you
of
need to
July
do that
like
on
we
New
do.
Year's.
Oh, yeah, I wonder
No, you
why.
need to go flying on New Year's.
And the fireworks here are
That's fun.
No,
what?
there are them in Burlington.
Are these things just pre-set up? In
Yeah,
pictures?
they are. They're preset.
No, they have. No, there are people buy them.
Yeah, there's people over there to make sure that they don't explode.
There's a smiley face. Really, I missed it. No, but I mean, the explosives are preset. I mean, obviously
Yeah.
people fire it,
right?
I mean, people obviously. I mean, yeah.
There's
like,
obviously
they're
people over
connected
there.
to a giant fuse box. No, they're connected to
they're
a giant
preset timing,
launch
like
board.
like height.
Yeah, no, but
Fuse box or launch board, Cameron? Which one?
Yeah.
So they press button, launch.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a launch board.
Cameron, I think a fuse box is a little bit different than what you're
shut
looking
up.
for. That was cool.
What's the beam factory? Weeping Willow. No, that's what I call those.
Hey, Brendan, you know the dam we built?
Yeah.
It's still there.
Seriously? That was like 2 weeks ago.
Whoa.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna launch my rocket series.
And it's rained a lot since then too.
I will. I hope it explodes.
Well, both
Well,
of the dams or
No, when we built
the which one?
the lower one, that
Okay.
one is still, like, the edge, the siding is still there, or, like, the whole middle's washed out.
Well, yeah, I'd assume that much.
How much longer do I have to film?
I don't know.
Does it say?
It says 9 minutes.
No, that's how much we've been filming for.
Oh. No. Up here in the corner it says 0.9 M.